Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I am making some chocolate covered banana bites. So let's get started. To make these little banana bites, I'm going to slice my bananas. And I've arranged them on just a plastic lid. And I'm going to place those in the freezer. And I have some here that are already frozen. And I melted some chocolate chips over hot water. So I'm going to take a slice of frozen banana, drop it into the chocolate. And because the banana is frozen, these are set up right away. And this one is already set up, so I'm going to give it a taste. So good. Store these in the freezer in a covered container.